Now, let me show you how you can pay for the Duolingo, but monthly, right? Because if I get inside of the app and go to the three dots, profile, and my settings in here, I can manage things like the subscription, right? I can manage it as such, right? And I can kind of like see it in here, but I don't have the ability to change to the monthly one, for example. This, however, can be changed if you're using an iPhone like I do by going to the settings like that, clicking on your profile, and then proceeding to the subscriptions. So I don't have anything in here because I started it on another phone. So let me just show it to you on another device. So similarly, I can go to the settings, profile, and subscriptions in here, and I should be able to find a Duolingo, right? So I'm going to expand it like that. As you can see, it is ending quite soon, but I can either renew it for the yearly fee, but when I click on a see all plans right there, so if I click on a see all plans, you can see that I get to switch to the Super Duolingo per month, right? So as you can see, €8 per month. Then I have the max per month, which is €16 per month, and then we have the yearly subscriptions below. So that's how we can do this if you have set up the payment through the Apple Payments. If not, then you'll be able to find it somewhere else. If you have done it through a different payment processor, you will have to find it through that application, but the process is going to be very similar. You just have to find where you signed up for the subscription, and that way you'll be able to switch it to the monthly model instead of yearly one. So I hope it helped. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more, and I'm gonna catch you later in the next uploads.